Yeah, you know, shout out, Zach Form, John Luke, Team on High, brotherhood, frustration sometimes, man. I pour a drink, stir it up with my thoughts. Currently, I might be little bucks. Up, high up on cloud 9, straight posted. You'll notice to be happy, yeah. I'm a little toasted, living for the moment. Tomorrow's never guaranteed. California fast life, something like a stampede. Unload a magazine, jumping like a trampoline. Hulk out and turn green. You know I'm about the team. Like your high till the day I die. It's about peace and love. I be on it, honestly, no lie. Live forever young, get her done and give you something you need. Baby, take a dose and kick back. Here's a dusty blunt wrap. Light it up and take a dose of this. Life, I'll make the most of this. Haters can't get close to me, and hopefully I get a little peace and quiet that holding me down. Round and round I go, no frown. Flip it upside down, down. I'm living happily, I'm living life happily. Ever after, I'm living happily, I'm living life happily. Ever after. I think it might be time to unwind a bit, to stop my grind and pour myself another drink. Looking for a purpose, possibly a fucking reason. Rarely do I see change, only in the change of the season. Surely I won't be the same, I'ma do it differently. I'ma be the one strange, I'ma make things interesting. Intimate relationships, just a bunch of bullshit. Caught up in the drama, not a foolish cool kid. Cool it cause any hotter, I'm a fucking burst in flames, bringing out the worst in me. Hey baby, rap comes the name. Starting off small town, getting out socially, going for a worldwide, running shit locally, killing off everything, going on a killing spree, switching up the game a bit, bringing out diversity, varsity, rap, graduated university, falling nothing holding me back. I'm living life happily, I'm living happily, I'm living life happily. Ever after, I'm living happily, I'm living life happily. Ever